welcome to Bawashira Electric once more. As I told you earlier, our electricity is moving just right away to our home furnitures, not for fun but also for security. Those who saw our previous table, this is another design. You know, I don't give you a real complicated guide on how to make your finished product. I just give you an idea, and you also build up from there. You can do assembling in many ways. You can use very many methods of joinery, any material you want, wood, glass, metal, whatsoever. Here I just give you the idea. Okay, so here we have our TV stand, or it can be our front table of the sitting room. You can use it any you wish, or even in the bedroom. How does it go? So this is the isometric view of it. So this is a section, this is a section, this is a section, this is a section, this is a section. So when we have it is a front view, how will it look like? That is how it looks like. Yeah, so that's the front view. Now, what are the different functionalities of this TV stand, or how is it movable? You know, the movement can be implemented. You can use it manual pulling or electrical, and you can also integrate some other additional security features such as the local alarm notifications and whatsoever. So we have this section here. When this section moves, are you trying to analyze properly? This section is extending as the door here does what? Opens. Let me try to make it a little bit like this. So here the door opens. Hope you can now see inside. Also, when this section moves this side, so here we have a full door. So now when you're using this one as a TV stand, that means you can have maybe your woofer inside here. If you are someone of IT, you can have your CPU inside here. Then you'll have your speakers on top here, or on top, or not on top, you'll see where they go. Then you can have your smaller stereo speakers or anything else, or flowers here. So when you put them here, that means when this TV stand locks itself back, they are also going to be still kept inside. Also this one, when it locks back, your thing is going to be secure. Then we also have this section. Let me first go back to our front view for easy movement. Now we have this section here. Do you see how it moves? Oh, sorry. So that one goes up. Also this side, it goes up. Now also when you have some bit of better view, that is how it looks like. Are you seeing? So you can place also some things here, or some side speaker here. It means when the TV stand gets locked back, the speaker is going to remain inside your TV stand. Also what you place here and here is also going to remain locked inside. What you place here is also going to remain locked inside. Then whatsoever you keep inside here, or also maybe a laptop, you can remove it and put on top here. Then you do your normal ideas. The movement, as I told you, can be mechanical or hand pulling, manual pulling. You can use motors for electrical pulling. Then you can also integrate other security features like electric locks and the alarms and whatsoever. As I told you earlier, I just give you ideas. Now when we have the isometric view of the thing here, so when we try to remove this, you see what is inside. So when this one goes back, it's going to leave here space, and when this one also goes back, it's going to leave this space here. So that's where we put our whatsoever we want to keep there, so that even though it locks itself back, this one remains untouched. It remains in its position. When it opens, it also remains in its position. So when I dismantle this one, here it is a hole. Let me show you. Are you seeing? Here it is a hole. So that means if this one goes back, it keeps whatsoever is here safely, because you designed the motion to be a little bit slower. It goes and keeps itself there without having to dismantle your TV set, your computer set, or anything you are going to use this table or stand for. So in simple terms, that is how our table looks like, and that is how it operates. So now it depends on your own creativity also to come up with different ways of joinery, the material you'd like to use. Actually, when you use black glass, it can be more awesome for your home. Thanks for watching. See you when you see me in the next idea.